भारत की एक और साजिश नाकाम। बारामूला में फौजी की हलाकत का पाकिस्तान पर इल्जाम झूठा निकला। बॉर्डर सिक्योरिटी फोर्स के अहलकार की बारामूला में हलाकत फ्रेंडली फायर का नतीजा थी। भारतीय मीडिया की रिपोर्ट। डीजी बीएसएफ के शर्मा ने फ्रेंडली फायर की तस्दीक कर दी। मीडिया के तुंदो तेज सवालात का सामना न कर सके। डीजी बीएसएफ से सहाफी ने सवाल किया कि सर बताएं बारामूला में क्या हुआ, वहां बीएसएफ कांस्टेबल कैसे मारा गया। डीजी बीएसएफ ने जवाब दिया कि इंडियन आर्मी बेहतर पोजीशन में है कि बताए कि बीएसएफ जवान कैसे मारा गया।
सहाफी ने फिर सवाल किया, नेतन कुमार आपका कांस्टेबल था, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि वो कैसे मरा। इस पर डीजी बीएसएफ ने जवाब दिया कि मशकूक हरकत देखकर नेतन चौकन्ना हुआ तो उस पर फायर हुआ, फिर उसकी टांग के पास बम फटा। इसके बाद फिर सवाल किया सहाफी ने कि कोई ऐनी शाहिद है कि किसने गोली चलाई, कहां से गोली चली। इस पर जवाब क्या देते हैं डीजी बीएसएफ कि अमावस की रात 10:30 बजे गहरा अंधेरा था, नहीं देखा गोली कहां से चली। फिर सहाफी ने सवाल किया, डीजी साहब मीडिया कह रहा है कि नेतन फ्रेंडली फायर से मरा, इस पर क्या जवाब देते हैं ये सुनिए। बहुत कंफ्यूजन है, कोई इस पोजीशन में नहीं कि बता सके कि गोली किसने और कहां से चलाई।
DGBSF here with us, sir. After Baramula, sir, a lot of questions are being raised about the way the operation happened. Can you just clear the air about the sequence of events which led to the death of Constable Nitin?
Actually, Army will be in a better position to give you the figure.
Constable Nitin is your constable, sir. What circumstances led to his death?
As I understand and the information which we have received, Constable Nitin was on duty on one of the morchas. This was a 46th Battalion RR camp where BSF was also staying for road opening duties, and therefore they were also guarding a few morchas. Constable Nitin felt that there was some movement outside. In order to check it out, he went out. He was fired upon, and one of the grenades hit him in the groin, and therefore because of that splinter injury there was loss of blood and he lost his life.
So is there any eyewitness account either from his buddy Constable Kostu, if I get the name right, as to who hit him, from where the fire came? Any eyewitness account on that?
It was dark of night. I mean, this was 10:30 in the night, and this was pitch dark because I think this was a day after Amavasya or something. So it is very difficult to say from where the fire came.
So why I ask you this question is because some newspapers have reported that Constable Nitin died because of friendly fire, alleging that the fire came from Indian Army.
No, there is no truth in this. As usually happens when a situation like this develops, there is a lot of running around and there is a lot of confusion inside, as nobody is in a position to say exactly where the fire came from and where are the terrorists.
And
so this information is absolutely incorrect.
Again, any eyewitness account as to how many Fedayins came?
Their buddies were there and they have seen it, and we've got
How many Fedayins? How many Fedayins?
I may not be knowing.
If anybody died?
I may not be knowing.
हैदराबाद से खबर दें आपको, नूरियाबाद के करीब वैन और ट्रेलर में